What's up guys, it's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's video, I'm going to be trying some contact lenses for you guys. I've tried contact lenses before. I don't think I'm a contact lens type of girl, but you know, these very nice people sent me some contact lenses and I'm going to do some reviews for you guys. So let's get it. Now the name of the company is DTLEYE. I got 4 contact lenses and yes, they're open because I already snooped through them. I got this one in glass ball green. I got this one in icy gray. I got this one in vision blue. And I got this one in Egypt brown. That's the 4 that I got, y'all. I peeked on them. I really love the Egypt brown simply because I feel like it has a more natural / realistic color for my dark skin, but the others are nice as well. So I'm going to show you guys what they look like in the package. Then I'm gonna pop them in my eyes to show you guys what they look like on my pretty chocolate dark skin, period. Alright, no. But you know the vibe, you get the gist. The first bad boy that we have is Egypt brown. So this is what the contact lens itself comes in. It says Dr. L.I. I think it's Dr. L.I. or Dr. Lie. I don't want to butcher it, so I'm just gonna show you guys. Inside here we have both contact lenses. In the same baggy bag, we have, it's empty now. We have like the contact lens case. Okay. So in there you have the contact lens case, then this tweezer looking thingy. I don't know what it is, but most likely it's something to help applying the contact lens. Along with this thing, I know this is something that is supposed to help applying the contact lenses as well. And like I said, the contact lens holder / case, and then you have the clear case that everything came in. So yeah, and it is like this for all the other contact lenses. So in the black bag we have this and this. I don't know if I want to keep recording while I put the contacts in, because I know that I'm going to take super long because I don't want to go blind, y'all. Okay, so guys, at this point I am just freestyling it. So if you see me doing something that is not like professional or anything like that. Just remember that I am not a professional. So I'm just going to go ahead and just pour all the liquid and the contact in both sides. So yeah, I placed both contact lenses in there. Now I'm going to try and pop them in. I'm gonna try and pick it up with the tweezer looking one. Forgive me guys, I don't know what exactly it is. Then I'm going to attach it like this. Then I'm gonna try to just pop it in. This is how it looks, y'all. I really like it. I feel like it complements my skin tone, and it is not like one of those contact lenses that you look at the person and be like, oh, that is not her real eyes. So I'm really digging this one. Like I said before, I feel like I'll definitely give this one another wear, but like I said, I'm not really a contacts type of girl, but if you do see me in contacts, it will be something like this one. Let me give you guys a close up. The next bad boy that we have is Icy Gray. Like I said, in the package you have this little box that comes with both contact lenses. Now let me tell you guys, Icy Gray, one is right here, the other one is right there. I'm gonna have to try this one out to see how I really feel about it. I don't know what these are giving, but it's not giving dark skin, okay? But before I jump to judge, let me just go ahead and try them on first. And in the same packet comes is basically case holders for the contact lenses. This one is in green and white. The other one is black. So I guess they come in all different like colors and stuff. And in them we have the same thingy, the contacts holder and this tweezer thingy along with this other applicator thingy and the case. The stuff that the contacts comes in, as you can see, it has liquid inside, so I just drained the liquid along with the contact lenses inside here. I feel like the liquid is something good for the contact lenses, so that's why I'm going to pour it in here. I think it's like solution. Yeah, contact solution. Let me go ahead and show y'all again. So it's hard for me to put the contacts in on camera, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it off camera. This is how it looks, y'all. This color is not for my skin. I can say that. Well, in my opinion, this color is not for my skin. I know that I have some of my beautiful females out there that will definitely rock this color, but I feel like this color is really not for my skin. What I do love about these contacts, if I haven't mentioned it already, is how silky they feel on your eyes. Like, I literally don't feel like I have anything in, honestly, and that's like really good, especially for me, because the moment something gets in my eye it becomes irritating and all that bad stuff. So I just really like how silky they feel on my eyes. Let me give you guys a close up. The next bad boy that we have is Glass Ball Green. Now I'm going to pop these bad boys in off camera. This is how it's looking, guys. This one is super duper cute. It's like, it's giving 50-50. 50 being that it could be a natural color, 50 being that it couldn't, because I mean, I have dark skin and it's green. I do know that I have dark skins out there that have green iris, so it is what it is. But for me personally, I feel like it's 50-50. It's definitely not an everyday wear for me, but I love it. The green is really cute. Let me give you guys a close-up. The last bad boy that I have is Vision Blue. Now I'm going to apply these bad boys off camera. This is how it's looking, y'all. For me, it is not one of them everyday colors or a natural color, but I do feel like it looks good with my skin. I know that you have dark skinned girls out there or girl of colors out there that would really rock this blue. It is very blue, let me say, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Again, I really love how silky these contacts feel. Definitely comfortable. Let me give you guys a close-up. that is it from me in today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it appealing. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.